If Samsung apps are not updating automatically, then open Play Store, tap on the profile icon here, go to settings, go to network preferences, go to auto update apps and select update all apps over Wi-Fi or mobile data. The next thing is go to settings again, go to privacy and security, go to app security, app protection, tap on these three dotted icons here and select app protection settings. Disable this option auto scan when installing apps. After that, we will again go to settings and we will go to battery, go to background usage limits, and if this option put unused apps to sleep is enabled like this one, disable it. Also in these sleeping apps, if you find any applications like this one, then what you do is tap and hold the app and then remove from the sleeping apps list. Now if only a single app is not updating, then go to Play Store, tap on the profile icon here, go to manage apps and device, go to manage, and suppose if this app is not updating, open it, tap on the three dotted icons here and make sure that this option enable auto update is enabled like this one.